Hey, this is Claude / Jessica. I'm down in Newport where my wife works, and I wanted to come see some other parts. There's a lot of boats and yachts and stuff going on down here. So let me go drive over there. Hey, what's going on? Well, I'm down here at the resort, and I figured I'd walk around a little bit. It's going to be another hour before Jessica gets out of work. Doesn't seem to be any wind, so you guys should be able to hear me. Oh, there's a dock over there. That's what that's all about. I was wondering, I thought I could walk over to the dock and sit, but I have a strange feeling it's private. Well, 2 years of vlogging. Here we are. Just looked at another apartment. Hopefully I'll get an answer this week. I know you guys are sick of me talking about this, but that's the way it is. Just check out the view. So, my wife has 1 day left of working here.
Yeah, tomorrow's my last day.
Yeah, and it'll be time for baby Elijah to show up in another month.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, like and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by. Honey, look at the little boats pulling up to the side.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, guys. Take care.
Love you. Bye. Maybe someday.
Someday we'll take a trip. Check out the bridge again.
There's some building. Maybe someday.
Someday we'll take a trip. It's the love boat, the Regal Princess. Thanks for stopping by our channel here at Claude/Jessica. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications.